If when you finish to brew your espresso, the result in cup is like this, this is not a good espresso. One particularity about the espresso is that half of the full quantity of coffee need to be a crema. If the coffee espresso, finish the brew, don't have crema, this means very weak espresso, so it's not good to drink. Can have four main reasons about this. The first reason depends to the bean that you use. The beans for espresso is a blend, means Arabica Robusta is a blend, and dark roast. If you have a single origin, light roast is not for brew espresso. The second thing is the size of the grinding. The espresso need a fine grinding powder. The coarse coffee is not for espresso. The third question is about quantity. We said 1 spoon for 1 cup of coffee. If you don't use enough powder, the coffee is weak because the water passes too fast inside the funnel, we don't have enough pressure, and so we don't have crema. The same, if we put the correct quantity of powder, but we don't temper, the powder is not compact, the water passes too fast, again we don't have enough pressure in the funnel, and the coffee don't have any crema.